Welcome to our indoor kitchen as well. It's been snowing for a week, so it's impossible to stay outside.
And that means no barbecue for me.
He's really devastated.
Completely.
The question remains, can you enjoy a Greek salad in the middle of the winter? Sure you can, just use cherry tomatoes. They're tasty year-round. Let's take here a handful. We will cut them in half, lengthwise. Then we continue with our cucumber. We chop off the ends, split it in the middle, and we cut it in pieces.
Some restaurants, they peel the cucumbers, but I find that a pity because it removes a lot of flavor.
And most of the vitamins.
That's true.
Into our bowl. And then we move on with our pepper. We're gonna cut it thin slices. Here is our beautiful salad, nicely decorated with the rings of pepper all around. Optionally, you can add also red onion, but it's not our favorite, so we're not gonna go with that.
You do you, we do us.
Definitely. Now we move with our spices. Nice pinches of sea salt, mountainous aromatic oregano.
That's very good here in Greece, actually.
True. Don't be stingy. Enjoy. And a very good healthy drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. That's actually the best part, where you're gonna dip your bread at the end. There it is, all around. Final touches, some feta cheese, like that. And just spread around a few olives from Kalamata. They're quite famous worldwide.
True, and it's absolutely mandatory.
Well, they kind of belong together. But don't forget to add on the cheese also a little bit of olive oil and the aromatic oregano. That gives more taste to the cheese and makes it more presentable. The result speaks for itself, but be aware, you serve it like this on the table, as is, and you mix it up just before eating.
That's the Greek way.
Enjoy!